To change the transmission fluid on your 850 Titan Adventure Ultimate, follow these steps. Park the snowmobile on a flat and level surface. Set the parking brake and remove the key. Then, remove the right side panel by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Pivot the panel away from the sled and pull out to remove. Next, remove the push pin securing the console to the right fender. Then, remove the screw that fastens the console to the footrest support. Carefully flex the console out to gain access to the push rivet that secures the right fender to the footrest support and remove the push pin. Then, carefully flex the right fender down to gain access to the transmission fill plug. Next, remove the transmission fill plug. Now, remove the fasteners that attach the rear of the right fender to the running board. Then, put a drain pan under the drain plug. Placing a rag in the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Next, carefully flex the fender down to gain access to the drain plug and remove the drain plug. Let the fluid drain completely. Fluid might run down the fender before flowing into the drain pan. Wipe away any residual fluid off the fender after the transmission has been drained. Before reinstalling, clean the transmission drain plug magnetic surface. Now install the transmission drain plug and torque to specification. Next, raise the right ski so it is 6 inches or 15 centimeters off the ground. Make sure the vehicle is secure and safely supported. Then, add the recommended amount of fluid through the fill hole. Keep the fluid level even with the bottom of the fill hole threads. Now, install the transmission fill plug and torque to specification. Next, lower the right ski back on the ground. Check for leaks and wipe away any residual fluid. Then, install the fasteners that attach the rear of the right fender to the running board and torque to specification. Continue by installing the push pin that secures the right fender to the footrest support. Now, install the push pin that secures the console to the right fender. Then, install the screw that fastens the console to the footrest support and torque to specification. Next, reinstall the right side panel. Finally, dispose of used oil properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.